The International Criminal Court has issued an arrest warrant for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. He is accused of war crimes and crimes against humanity in Gaza. The ICC cited reasonable grounds for his criminal responsibility. Israel's challenges to the court's jurisdiction were rejected, according to the ICC's pre-trial chamber. The ICC also issued warrants for former Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, Hamas's military chief Mohammad Deif. Israeli previously claimed Deif was killed in August. Netanyahu condemned the ICC's move, calling it anti-Israel and anti-Semitic. The White House also rejected the ICC's decision. Several European nations stated they would comply with the ruling. The ICC is an international tribunal headquartered in The Hague, Netherlands. It prosecutes individuals for genocide, war crimes, crimes against humanity, and aggression. Governed by the Rome Statute, it acts as a court of last resort, complementing national systems. Established in 2002, the ICC has handled 32 cases, issued 59 arrest warrants, and secured 11 convictions. The court's 2024 budget is €187 million, and it operates with over 900 staff from 100 countries. The warrants against Netanyahu and others cite crimes related to Israel's military actions in Gaza following the October 7, 2023 Hamas attack. Accusations include murder, persecution, and using starvation as a weapon of war. Israel and allies, including the US, rejected the ruling. They argue the ICC lacks jurisdiction and emphasize Israel's right to self-defense. Human rights groups and nations like Turkey support the warrants, calling them steps toward justice. Countries such as the Netherlands pledged to comply with the ICC. The UK expressed support for Israel's self-defense despite the warrants. The ICC began its investigation in 2018 after Palestine referred the case. Additional referrals came from countries like South Africa and Chile in 2023 and 2024. While Israel is not a signatory to the Rome Statute, the ICC considers Palestine's status sufficient to proceed. Although Israel does not recognize ICC jurisdiction, the warrants may restrict Netanyahu's international travel. The 124 Rome Statute member states are obligated to arrest Netanyahu and Gallant if they enter their territories. Josep Borrell, the EU's foreign policy chief, confirmed this obligation on social media. Enforcing ICC warrants has been inconsistent. Countries like South Africa and Mongolia have previously failed to act on similar warrants. The ICC typically does not prosecute in absentia except in rare cases. The warrants may not lead to immediate arrests or trials but are seen as a symbolic victory for Palestine. They increase international pressure on Israel and limit Netanyahu's ability to travel without potential repercussions. Despite this, Netanyahu and Gallant have vowed to continue the war in Gaza. Despite this, Netanyahu and Gallant have vowed to continue the war in Gaza.